I found this wood from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take a ruler and mark off 8 inches. I'm only going to need one of these for my project today. And then I took a straight edge and made a line. I took my miter box and I cut my 8-inch piece of wood and primed it. I also found this panel from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with Wise Owl primer and allow this and the other piece to dry. Once dry, I'm going to paint the smaller piece in the black. And I'm going to go on an angle on the upper portion of my longer board and paint that black. And allow that to dry. I'm going to mix chocolate and snow owl and a little bit of Republic red. I'm going to paint about a 3-inch section from that slant. So it's going to be straight at the bottom, and then I'm going to paint into that slanted black area. And the bottom portion, I'm going to paint in the Republic red. Once dry, I'm going to put my slanted black piece back on just temporarily so I can position my face. Using a permanent marker, I made a line with some stitching marks, and then I created my eyes, my mouth, and then I use a dabber with a little Republic red and my mixture of the chocolate and the white for the cheeks, and then I filled in the eyes with the white paint. I took a piece of the grass skirt from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue it at the top. And I'm gluing it using the rim to the hat, which was that black piece of wood. And then I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors so that I can see the face. You can use raffia, or this is the grass skirt from the Dollar Tree, or even straw. I'm going to take a little piece, I'm going to put it at the corner top of the hat with a sunflower that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of I think about 6. And then I'm going to take my gingham stencil that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to add black to the bottom portion where the Republic red is. I'm going to take this mesh tubing and wrap it around twice and add a bow. I'll put a little hot glue to hold it in place. And then I had these buttons left over. And there you go. Now I have this cute little Scarecrow. I put my hanger back on, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.